So this is Group 10's robot. The first thing we do is grab the first rod. Once we have contained the rod, we set the high rad LED on, and we perform 180 and use PID line tracking to path ourselves to the first available disposal site on that side. It knows that to go to this disposal site because we're using Bluetooth commands sent from our phone app. Once the rod is inserted, the robot backs up and turns around to resume line following until the next intersection. From there, performs an analysis again using the phone commands, and will path itself to the first full rod site. Just there, you could see the PID working in that it was able to correct a off-center turn. Now that it's grabbed the full rod, the low rad LED has been lit, and now the robot will go back to reactor A to insert the rod. Again, the app has been updated to reflect the current situation of the rod placement, and the changes are being transmitted to the robot. With the rod now inserted for reactor A, the robot will now move on to reactor B. It'll cross through all the intersections using the PID line following again and collect from reactor B. Note that the the rad LED is off, signifying that the radiation has been successfully contained. The robot will now pick up from reactor B. It will back up and turn around. Just like with reactor A, it will use PID line following and the data sent from the app to determine which disposal sites and supply sites are available for usage. In this case, the only remaining disposal site is the last one. Right there you can see the PID work very well in that the error was significantly reduced as the robot moved along the line. Now it will path it to the last available rod, again through the phone commands. The LED state has been changed. Now the robot will go and pick up the full rod, which will in turn activate the low radiation LED. And now the robot will perform a very, very stylish 360 that very accurately demonstrates the PID control before finally returning to the reactor B. That cut right there was because we weren't sure whether it would stay on course. And luckily we were able to finish the video by simply restarting the camera. But this is all one continuous loop. Now that the robot will now insert the final rod, and the challenge has been completed. Yes!